Hi and welcome. This is a demonstration of the QMS New Part Development System. Our system is built to streamline the entire NPD life cycle, covering all critical quality documents like APQP, PFD, PPAP, PFMEA, DFMEA while saving time and ensuring process consistency. And integration ready with PLM and 3D modeling software. We begin by showing the QMS flowchart for new part development. This flowchart gives a high-level overview of the process from initial request to final part release, including design inputs, risk assessment, process planning, customer approvals. This acts as the blueprint for structured NPD execution. Now let's explore the dashboard. The dashboard is real-time, fully customizable, and interlinked with all project data. It gives a quick snapshot of total NPD projects, projects in progress, completed and on-hold projects. Below, you'll see a detailed list view of all NPDs, customer information, NPDs associated with each customer. This offers complete visibility and efficient tracking across all new part developments. Navigation and document access. From the main page, users can directly navigate to all QMS-related documents and formats such as risk analysis, feasibility commitment, customer part creation, process matrix, PFD, PFMEA, and many more. This intuitive navigation reduces effort and time wasted in manual searches, part creation and revisions. While creating a new part, the system allows you to enter revision history, attach revision drawings, mention description of changes, release information, record approvals and approval dates. This ensures traceability and compliance at every step. In addition to document handling, the system also includes 3D model software integration for visual and functional design validation. We also provide complete APQP and PPAP documentation, reducing manual effort and ensuring industry compliance. This leads to a time saving of nearly 50% across the NPD process. One of the most powerful aspects of our system is the interlinked document structure. All documents are interlinked with each other, enabling data to flow across the system. This eliminates repetitive manual data entry and ensures seamless tracking. Key interlocks include data flows from the process matrix to the gauge tracking sheets, tool tracking sheets, equipment tracking sheets, poker yoke and process flow diagram. From PFD to PFMEA, which feeds into the control plan. Control plan feeds into incoming, in-process, and pre-dispatch check sheets. We also support bilateral synchronization, meaning changes in downstream or upstream documents are auto-updated throughout the chain. This two-way data flow guarantees accuracy and massive time savings. Beyond ERP connectivity, the QMS NPD system offers dynamic document control, automated version tracking, secure access with audit logs, real-time collaboration with CFT, Excel PDF report exports, customizable format templates, part-level document traceability, approval status tracking per document. This takes your quality management beyond traditional systems. Here's what the QMS New Part Development System brings to your organization: structured and standardized NPD workflows, centralized access to all quality documents, seamless cross-functional collaboration, 50% time savings through automation and interlocks, end-to-end traceability from design to release, integration ready with PLM and 3D modeling software. Thank you for watching this demonstration. To explore more or to request a live demo, please feel free to get in touch with us.